Hunchback of Notre Dame. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to Vlogmas. Good morning, you guys. It is officially Christmas month, Sagittarius season. You guys, yesterday we had a great time. If you didn't see the vlog yesterday, we actually went out to a Christmas bar pop-up. It was really, really cute. Unfortunately, we had to leave kind of earlier than we thought because the bathrooms there were slightly clogged, which was a problem. I'm actually just sending my editor files now, but I think I'm gonna cancel and resend them on my faster Wi-Fi because it's taking forever to go through. I don't know why. I don't know how to spell our Wi-Fi password. So yesterday I totally forgot to show you guys my holiday candle collection, and I'm gonna do that as soon as I get off and get these off to my editor. I use retransfer to send my things to my editor. And today, now it says 2 hours. God, that's not even a lot of footage. Lighting is better this way. Hello. I wanted to actually show you guys the little decoration I have on our countertop because it's super cute. So this is what we have. And it's a candle. We have a snow globe. This is actually from my editor. It's like one of my favorite things. And this little kind of like styrofoamy tree. And I have like a candle snuffer too right here. This is like my little vibes on the counter. And this candle holder is from Bath & Body. And this is from Home Goods, and this is from my editor. He gifted it to me, so I don't really know where it's from. And this little outer basket is from Home Goods. Riley just got up, and Mo does this every morning. Literally, he's like the floppiest fish for his dad. He only does this to Riley. Like, he'll freak out in the morning seeing him. And then Junie gets so excited she has to immediately start chomping on a bone. I can't take this cuteness, you little shit. Okay, you guys, so this right here is my little candle collection for the holidays. I have so much more than what I actually thought. 2 of these candles are from last year's season that I purposely didn't burn because I was like, I don't know if it'll be back. Let's start off with the candles from last year because I truthfully don't know if they have them. So that first one is gonna be spiced gingerbread, and this was actually Riley's favorite. I made sure I had an extra one for him because he's a little bit picky with his candles, I'm not gonna lie. And this one is just like a spice, yeah, like literally it's just like spicy, kind of like gingerbread vibes. That's literally what it smells like. And then this one from last year was called Evergreen, and it was actually made with essential oils, so that's why I kept it, because I really liked that like calmingness of the essential oil. And all of these are from Bath & Body Works, by the way, the 3-wick candles. This one just literally smells like Christmas trees. We don't get a real tree. My mom was always really allergic to the Christmas trees growing up, and I believe that I'm allergic too, because every time I would go to people's houses that had like a real Christmas tree, I would get a little bit stuffy in my nose. So I think I had like a slight allergy to them. And honestly, I really like fake trees. I feel like you can manipulate them a little bit better. Don't get me wrong, like a real Christmas tree, there's nothing better than that. I mean, come on. But I'm definitely team fake trees. It's just so much easier. And then I think honestly, like, I think I want to get 1 more tree or like 2. Honestly, I could obviously get like 2 more trees because like, oh my god, Riley is giving me the dirtiest look. He's like, what are you saying, 2 more trees? But I feel like a lot of people, or like I feel like the trend this year is those like skinnier trees, like those, they have a specific name, I don't know what I'm talking about, but they're the skinnier fake trees. And I kind of like had a vision in my mind of where I could put maybe 2 more, but he's so upset with me right now. I was thinking like in my beauty room or something like that, and then maybe in our bedroom, because our bedroom's pretty big and we don't have any Christmas items in there at all. So I know some people go crazy and actually decorate bedrooms and like bathrooms and stuff like that. I right now only have the main area decorated. I don't think I'm going to decorate. I mean, I can't say I don't think. I really can't, because like one day I'd want to do something and the next day I don't. But if anything, I might like just decorate my beauty room a little bit more or the bedroom a little bit more. I don't really see myself going in and decorating bathrooms. But yeah, these were the 2 candles from last year's season that I kept and made sure we had doubles of. Okay, so moving on to, why did I buy so many this year? Oh wait, this one was from last year too. Sorry guys, Mary Cookie. They do have it in stores, but this one is from last year. I figured, you know what? It was one of my favorite candles from last year as well, and oh my god, it just smells like sugar cookies. It smells like Christmas sugar cookies. It's the best smelling thing ever, and I'm really happy because I feel like this older candle from last year has a little bit of a stronger scent than the Mary Cookie that's currently in there. So I don't know if they tweaked the formula a little bit or like the scent a little bit. So these are the 4 that I got from this year. The first one we picked up was Fresh Balsam, and it literally just smells like Christmas trees, like so good. It's amazing. This is one of my favorite candles. Again, like really great if you don't have a real tree. And the next candle we got was Hot Cocoa and Cream. Oh my god, this one just smells like chocolate fudge brownies. Like it just smells like it smells so good. They have all different labels on them. The one that I saw, I liked this one. It was really cute with like a little cat and a moon. I really like this one. It's like super, it's strong, so if you don't like chocolate, but if you don't like chocolate, that probably wouldn't be a good one for you. This is the one I currently have in the candle holder you guys saw earlier. It's called Praline Pecan and Cream. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like, I don't even know how you would explain this. It just smells like baked goods. Like, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. And it's not too strong. It's not like overpowering. So that's another reason I really liked it. And the last candle I picked up is a candle called Grateful. It's an apple crisp scent. And I really love apple scents. Like I love apple pie. I love like the cranberry vibes. And I feel like there's only really one time a year you can burn those types of candles, so I really love the smell of stuff like this. And honestly, this blue really matched the decor in my home, so even after Christmas I may be able to you know, get a few swigs of this guy. But yeah, those are all the holiday candles I bought this year, and I might buy more, so we'll see as Vlogmas continues, but those are all my candles. All right, you guys, so right now I'm actually uploading a video. It's a first impressions makeup tutorial, and I'm editing the thumbnail right now, so I figured let me show y'all a little bit of behind the scenes. I use this website called PicMonkey. A lot of people use Photoshop. I use this because I don't really do like super in-depth thumbnails, you know. Play around with the color a little bit, do a little, you know, smoothing, why not? Okay, so I got my video live and I was doing some comments, and yeah, that's pretty much my morning. I'm still trying to debate whether or not I should go to this parade tonight because they sold out of tickets and I'm a little bit like nervous. Like crowds make me very nervous. So we'll see. We'll see about that. We will see. Okay, so I did a quick little change. Riley and I are gonna go get brunch, and I actually just spent over an hour like trying to find, getting a phone call. It's my mom. Trying to find places in LA that are like cool and things to do for you guys during Vlogmas, and you know, just taking advantage of the fact that like we live in LA and there's a lot of really cool things to do here in the holidays. The dogs are pissed at us, totally pissed. But we'll be back. We'll go on an adventure when you get back, guys. Don't do this to me, Mo. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. It's okay. Oh, that face. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. We gotta go eat, babies. And then when I come back, I snuggie you all day. How's that sound? Okay, be good, you guys. I love you. Be right back. Also, I friggin' hate white furniture. Why did I do this to myself? It's filthy. You could see it's filthy, and it's disgusting. So, I don't know if I told you guys this, but after we go to our little brunch place that we like to go to, I think what I want to do is go to Nicol's and do some DIY stuff for you guys, because I feel like so much of Christmas things are like sold out because like you really have to do the shopping before the holidays. Like it is what it is. But I want to do like a DIY like advent calendar for the dogs or like something cute like that. I don't really know how I would do it. I'm gonna look on Pinterest when we get to our place. Jinkies. Jinky, janky. We're here. We made it.
We're here?
Such a long drive. What watch? I'm still really getting used to vlogging in public. I feel like a stupid idiot. I don't know how people do it. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a jackass. I'm looking up on my phone on Pinterest different advent calendar ideas. Even that's a cute advent calendar. Boozy advent calendar. Honey, I found your perfect advent calendar. Isn't that amazing? All right, so I got eggs and tater tots and toast. What'd you get, honey?
It's a secret.
Chicken and waffles.
Don't tell anybody.
It's his favorite. All right, so we just finished our breakfast, and now I'm gonna go ahead to Michael's and see if I can find something for DIY vibes. So that is the mission for today, and we'll see what I come up with, you know what I mean? Okay, so I just pulled into the parking garage, and this place is a freaking madhouse. I should have known better. Like, it's December 1st, everybody's in the Christmas mood, everybody and their mom is out. But you know what? We're still gonna make the best of it. I freaking hate crowds, but we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. All right, gotta get out of my car now. Oh, look. They have some of these big things. Actually, I wanted to get something. I'm not gonna give it away too much, but I wanted to do some type of a photo shoot for my birthday with a bunch of these balls. They actually have a lot of Christmas stuff. I'm pretty shook. Everywhere else does not have a lot. I just threw this little guy in here because he's got skis. I'm a sucker for anything that has to do with skis because of how Riley and I met. So yeah. What the shit? This is exactly what I was looking for. Oh my god. So I got two different ones, and I'm probably gonna want to buy some paint, and then I was thinking something like this might be cute to paint as well because it reminds me of Riley. All these things remind me so much of Riley. Oh, my next guess was gonna be where's the paint, so I'll pick up some acrylic paints. Perfect. Value set right up my alley. Perfect. So I'm gonna get some of these bells and like other little things to decorate with. I might try to find some like fake snow and stuff. Yeah, like little iridescent pieces like this are super cute. $100 later, let's go home. Let's start painting. Woohoo! Okay, I don't know how we did it, but we did it. We made it alive, so I'm gonna head on home now and we're gonna start painting this little DIY moment. I'm really excited. Why is his shirt off? Why is his shirt half off? Oh. What are you doing? Hi guys, I'm home, Mommy's home. Hi baby. What did you do? You took your shirt off, bud? Okay, so pretty much right now I'm just getting together some of the items for our DIY moment, and I'm getting set up and everything. So I figured if anything, you guys might want to watch me set up. I know it's not like amazing, but you know. Oh, she's upset. We had to take away Junie's bone because she was just like cracking in. It became dangerous. Our first real home art project.
Do professionals use this?
Be careful. We have a little canvas here.
What color are you gonna use first?
I don't know. So I have, mine haven't, oh god, it hurts my teeth. I have this problem, you guys. I cannot touch wood without it hurting my teeth. I'm doing this Christmas tree one and Riley's doing that one. I'm gonna dump out all of my boxes too so that we can get the base going.
Way ahead of your sister.
I know, you were way ahead of me. Okay, this one won't come out, so that's great. This one's frozen shut. Oh, thank you, Mr. Strongman.
Are these makeup brushes?
No, they're paint brushes. I'm gonna make this green because it's a tree.
Woo! We
have to
did it.
decide what we're putting in ours. Like, do we put candy? What should we put? I'm probably gonna have to do a second coat of this bitch ass paint. You're like ASMRing. You know you could use a bigger brush. You can get more paint on it too if you want. I just want you for my own. Riley's a Grinch.
Not a Grinch.
You're a Grinch.
I didn't do anything.
By the time this advent calendar is done, it's gonna be already 3 days into December.
It's gonna be Christmas. And we just get to open all the drawers at once. Have you ever laughed so hard you peed your pants?
Yeah.
When, where, why?
With your dad. He was just saying one of his things he says. He said Cottonmouth Joe, and I could not stop laughing instead of Cotton Eye Joe. And I actually peed a little bit. I'm not kidding.
Oh, you're an easy target then.
Yeah. I'm no match to your dad's dad jokes. And this is like very therapeutic though, I'll tell you that much. This is a nice Sunday night activity. Well, we're painting and having beer, so cheers to that.
Don't forget to sip.
Oh shit, okay, sorry.
Cheers to that. You're playing games.
Modelo is so good. You have to press it at the bottom. Also, there's 37 brushes here. Use a different brush.
I just want the concept of the paint coming out in the water to work.
Oh my god. You guys, ski season is coming up. Whoop whoop.
Holla. You guess what color I'm gonna do next? It's either gold or black, so I figured.
Black?
Figure gold.
Black? What?
In your brow.
I have something in my eyebrow. Why would you go black on a Christmas thing?
I'm saying those are the only two things left.
Oh.
So.
I was like, black? I don't know, I'm a little tipsy.
You gotta sip.
I know. I love doing arts and crafts with you. Crickets?
What a massage. I'm in the zone over here. Look at the. Gotta get my hand. Okay, you guys, so I finished my little advent calendar. How cute is it? And I already started putting some dog cookies in here for them. So I'm really, really excited to show them because they haven't even seen this yet, the dogs. And this right here is Riley's, you guys. I'm super impressed. Look at the detailing on the Santa, the tracks, everything. Babe, who would have known, you little Van Gogh? Okay, so I'm gonna give the dogs their first little advent treat. Come here, honeys. Junie's ready to go. Good girl. Sit, Momo. Sit, Momos. That, June, this is Momo's. Good boy. Good job, guys. And Riley just made a delicious mac and cheese. So now, him and I are gonna have some dinner together. It's like 9 o'clock, you guys, and Riley's watching. What are you watching? Santa Claus is coming to town.
Santa Claus is coming to town. It's like some claymation thing. I think I saw it like years ago. Well, anyway, I'm here reading my natal chart from astrology, and I haven't ever done this before, and I know that this is like super in depth, so I'm kind of reading about it. You can see on my computer. I really want to get more into astrology in 2020. I'm starting to make like little goals for myself, little things that I want to do and accomplish more and read up on more in 2020, you know what I mean? And that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Not very much more is gonna be going on for today. Probably gonna just finish reading this and watch the movie with Riley, but I hope you guys enjoyed day 2 of Vlogmas. I had a fun day today. How are we gonna top this tomorrow? I'll figure it out. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.